Hello, Victor here from Automotive Crewe. Today showing you around the Suzuki Swift 1.6 Sport. Finished in sleek black and powered by naturally aspirated 1.6 litre petrol engine delivering 136 PS through manual transmission, Swift Sport offers lightweight thrills and sharp handling. The Swift Sport stands out with its aggressive front bumper, HID projector headlights and bold fog light surrounds. The 17-inch alloy wheels provide lightweight foundation for excellent cornering and great road handling. At the back, Swift continues to impress with twin exhaust pipes, high-mounted spoiler, LED taillights and rear privacy glass. The tailgate-mounted spoiler doesn't just look great, it improves aerodynamics too. While compact on the outside, the Swift boot provides practical space for weekend bags or daily essentials. With split-folding rear seats, you can expand the load area when needed. Rear passengers enjoy privacy glass, assist grips and ISOFIX anchor points, while soft touch materials and thoughtful storage add an unexpectedly refined touch. Up front, the sport seats hug you in place during dynamic drives, while red contrast stitching adds visual flair. The driver gets height adjustment for optimum visibility. The three-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel houses audio and cruise controls at your fingertips. Ahead, clear analog dials and digital trip display keeps you informed, while features like a gear shift indicator and outside temperature readout add useful info without the clutter. The vehicle is equipped with automatic air conditioning, which keeps the cabin perfectly chilled or cozy depending on the weather. The infotainment system comes with DAB digital radio and MP3 WMA compatible CD player for all your music. It is also equipped with built-in satellite navigation for easy route guidance and various settings to customize vehicle preferences and system features. This has been a presentation of the Suzuki Swift 1.6 Sport, now available at Motor Crewe. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.